Hey folks, I want to share practical tricks to keep your vertical clips looking crisp across Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. More importantly, I'll show you an automation method to skip the tedious manual work, letting you focus purely on creation. When repurposing a 4K horizontal file, platforms aggressively re-encode Shorts, often making your footage look soft and washed out. The manual fix is to reframe your subject, then apply just a very subtle touch of pre-sharpening to define existing textures slightly. For exports, avoid the default MP4 H.264 at a low bitrate, because that restriction consistently results in a noticeably softer final image. A much better approach is using a QuickTime container with H.265 at a higher target bitrate, around 12,000 kilobits, for better quality. That higher quality 10-bit setting preserves far more visual nuance, so essential details like skin tones survive the re-encode much better. The manual pain point is that doing this custom reframing and exporting for every single clip is incredibly slow and frankly boring. This is exactly where a tool like Vizard steps in, automating the entire pipeline by finding viral moments and applying optimized vertical exports instantly. Stop wasting time on repetitive tweaks. Consistent posting with smarter files is the real growth engine, so try Vizard's workflow to scale.